Now let's do letter S, T, U, and V. Letter S. So, what are the words that starts with letter S? Let's see. Here we got socks. Socks start with letter S. What else? Here we got a skunk. Skunk starts with letter S. What do we have here? Here we got a snail. Snail start with letter S. Snail. So let's see. Who's this? This is Spider-Man. Spider-Man starts with letter S. What else do we have with letter S? Ooh, what's this? This is a snake. And snake starts with letter S. Snake. Now let's do Play-Doh fun. Here we got a strawberry mold. Strawberry starts with letter S. We're going to make strawberries. We're going to use red Play-Doh and green Play-Doh. Here's our strawberry. Let's make one more. Now we got strawberry. Strawberry starts with letter S. Now let's do letter T. So what are the words that starts with letter T? Let's see. Here we got television. Television starts with letter T. What else do we have? Here we got turtle. Turtle starts with letter T. Turtle. So what do we have here? Here we got a tiger. Tiger starts with letter T. Tiger. We also have a truck. Truck starts with letter T. Now let's make Play-Doh fun. Now for the trunk, we use brown Play-Doh. What about some fruits? We'll use red Play-Doh. Now our tree is done. Tree starts with letter T. Tree. Now let's do letter U. So what are the words that starts with letter U? Let's see. Here we have an umbrella. Umbrella starts with letter U. What else? Here we have a unicorn. A unicorn starts with letter U. What else? This is also a unicorn. Unicorn starts with letter U. Unicorn. What else starts with letter U? Here we got some cutters and some spoons. These are called utensils. Utensils starts with letter U. Now let's do some Play-Doh fun. Here we're going to use a blue Play-Doh for a word that starts with letter U. We're going to use a cutter. So what do we got here? This is an umbrella. And yes, umbrella starts with letter U. Now let's do letter V. So what are the words that starts with letter V? Let's see. Here we got violin. Violin starts with letter V. What else? Here we got a vacuum. Vacuum starts with letter V. We're gonna check this, see what starts with letter V. Here we got vulture. Vulture starts with letter V. Vulture. What else starts with letter V? Here I got a van. Van starts with letter V. Van. Now let's do some Play-Doh fun. We're gonna make something that starts with letter V. So here we got a vase. A vase starts with letter V. Now we just did letter S, T, U, and V. Now we'll go to the next one.